Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming which outputs your Dell uses and gathering the correct HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables. This prevents fumbling mid-setup. Once done, power off both the PC and the monitors to protect hardware while you plug in. You then connect the primary monitor to GPU port 1 and the secondary to port 2, using a single adapter if necessary. This order helps the system detect displays predictably when it boots. You power on the system and monitors, making sure each screen reports the correct input or source so the OS can see them. Once the desktop appears, open Display Settings on Windows or Displays on Mac OS to inspect arrangements. This is where you tell the computer how to use both screens. You then choose Extend for extra workspace or Duplicate for mirroring, and set each monitor's resolution and scaling, so text and windows appear. You finish by arranging the virtual monitor positions to match the physical layout, assigning the primary display so taskbars and apps open where you expect them. Once aligned, calibrate color, confirm proper refresh rates, and update GPU drivers to ensure stability and performance. If a monitor isn't detected, first reset cables and try a different port or cable. If that fails, restart with only the problematic monitor connected and verify any active adapters have power. These steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.